Hi everyone, today let us check out this
nobile
type
Dendrobium
orchid. We repotted this orchid about 3 months ago with another pot of
nobile
type
Dendrobium
orchid so that there are more pseudobulbs in the same pot. Now the new pseudobulbs are growing well, about half length of old pseudobulbs. I have changed the position of ties several times on the stakes to keep the pseudobulbs growing up straight. Due to the high temperature and humidity change, some leaf tips have turned into brown, or have some brown spots on them. We can leave them alone, or just cut them off. This leaf also has some damage marks caused by a snail. When find a leaf was eaten by a snail, we have to get up at night, find the snails and remove them. A pair of tweezers would be a good helper to remove snails. Let us take a look at the keikis. It's interesting that the keikis are quite big, however there is no single one root sending out from the keikis. Nothing to worry about, as long as they are still growing. Just leave them alone. They are still relying on the old pseudobulbs. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, share it, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comment below. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you soon.